So I started watching YouTube last year, and quickly I found that all the channels I was watching were prop makers. Those combination of creators got me to start thinking, maybe I want to build props. Maybe I want to build a Star Wars room. Maybe I want to make a room that's about one of my favorites, which is Firefly. But then I started realizing I need to get tools, I need to get materials, and above all, I need Greebles. Where do you find all these? I was watching so many of the prop makers in their videos making things, and all too often you would see this awesome Greebly. And then you're going, where did they get that from? You get kind of a reply that's, I can't quite remember where I got it from. I think it was electronics, but then again, it could have been automotive. So I just started taking everything apart. So it sparked an idea in my head that maybe I'm not the only person who doesn't know where all these Greebles come from. So I'm launching a new series. It's going to be called In Search of Greebles. The primary focus will always be tearing something apart so we can identify where all these Greebles come from. The second part is I'm going to attempt to make a prop from the items that I found. Now, the goal is to try and get these items for free, use as much from the items to make the prop so that I can keep costs low. Because as we all know, wood prices have gone through the roof this year, and being able to just go get a sheet of MDF now kind of takes a down payment. Now, I've never made a prop before, so this is going to be a huge learning curve for me, but I can't wait to start. I'm so excited. The amount of times that I've seen a prop maker talk about weathering, I've gotten to the point where I'm like, oh yeah, that's simple. But as I've tried to start doing this, it's a lot harder than one would think. So I'll see you next time when I tear something apart and try and make a prop out of it.